Good morning, children. How are you? Fine? Yeah. Today we are discussing about database management system. Database management system. Today discussing this topic, database management system. First of all, what is the data? What is the data? What is the data? Data is a collection of information or collection of videos, collection of files, collection of movies, and so on. That is called data. Data is a collection of information. Collection of information. Collection of information. For example, images, videos, images, videos, and movies, and so on. That is called data. Next one, what is the database? Next one, what is the database? Database nothing but collection of data. Collection of data in organization. Collection of organization data is called database. Organized collection of data. What is this? What is this? Database. Database is a organized collection of data. It is a access, modify, update, and delete the information using the database. Which one using? Access, update, delete, and sorting are using for the this type of ways. This is called database. I will explain the small example. I have a 50 students name. How many members? 50 students name including phone numbers. 50 students name. For example, first one is Venkat. Venkat phone number 9989424238. Next one Sai. Next student name Sai. 7472734248. And next student name Ramu. Name Ramu. 8482737271. Fourth one student name Anil. 7273424318 and so on. Continue. 25th student name Madhu. Which one? Madhu. The student name is 7472 734241 4241 and so on and continue. 50 student name is Balu. Which one? Balu. Number is 8382727413. Balu. Student number. How many students are there? 50 students. Each student phone number. Okay. Here any order? This is not a order. Okay na? One day I will call you Madhu. Which one? Madhu. I will open my phone book and check for the each and every name. First name is which one name? Venkat. Madhu Venkat. Both are equal name. It is not correct. Next one. Madhu and Sai. It is not correct name. And Madhu and Ramu, it is not same name. And next one, Anil. Comparison both are same name. It is not. And each and every student name continue check it each student name comparison. But who is student name are both equal? Yeah, 25th student name is equal. Madhu and Madhu. And take the Madhu phone number. I call you. Okay na? How many names are check the comparison? Madhu? Total 25 names. How many? 25 names are comparison. 24 names are rejected. 25th name is correct. But process is very long. You take the long time. That's why it is the rectify this process using for database. Using the database. Database are using for accessing data and modifying data, updating data and sorting. Sorting means arranging the A to Z or Z to A. Sorting means arranging the data in A to Z or Z to A. A to Z or arranging Z to A. Any order. But numerical means this is alphabetic order. Which one? Alphabetic order. And the numerical values mean lowest to highest, highest to lowest. This is our using for the sorting. Which one? Sorting. Okay. Next one. Elements of database. Elements of database. The element of database is 3 types. How many types? 3 types. First one is table. Second one is field. Third one is record. Element of database. Understood why are you using the database? But database is a formation of tabular formation. Which formation? Tabular formation. Tabular formation are there. Element of database means 3 types. How many? 3 types. First one is table. Second one is field. First one is table. Second one is field. Third one is record. Third one is record. First of all, we are discussing about table. Discussing about table. What is the table? Table. What is the table? Table is nothing but collection of data. Collection of field data. Collection of field data. Table is nothing but collection of field data. Field data. What is the field? This one is field. This one is row. This is field. This one is row. Table is nothing but storing the data. Storage the data. For example, serial number, name, Telugu, Hindi, English. Okay na? Each and every student detail storing tabular formation. Tabular formation. Row mean record. Row mean record. Field mean column. Field mean columns. Understood? Storage the physical data. Physical storage in data. That is called table. Second one is field. Second one is field. Field is a column in table. Column in table. Field is a column in a table. That is called field. This one field. Okay na? Third one is record. Record and row both are same. Collection of each and every data entity. Each and every data entity. That is called record. Each and every record. This is record. Entity. Data entity. That is called record. That is called record. Understood? Element of database. Why are you using for the tabular formation? Each and everyone understanding tabular formation. You don't know using the tabular formation, you don't know understanding other people. Only understanding who is the designing that typing data, and that person only understanding. Remaining person, it is not understanding the remaining format. Tabular formation, it is understanding designing person, undesigning persons are understanding. Okay na? That why database is creating the tabular formation. Understood? Why are you using the database? Children? Okay, next one is database management system. Database management system. Database management system. In database management system, for example, school. You take the organization in school. School, how many data maintaining? Children's data. Children's data mean different data tables are using. Children personal details. Details. Next one is FA marks, FA1, FA2, FA3 and SA1, SA2. Maintain the marks and the personal details and result, marks result. Next one, teaching staff, teaching staff also maintain the personal details. Personal details mean name, surname, father name, age and other number, qualification. That type of maintain the teaching staff. Children also personal student name, mother name, father name, phone number, other number, address. All are maintain the personal details and FA marks. Telugu, Hindi, English, Maths, Science, Social. All are maintain the FA marks. Teaching staff and next one, non-teaching staff. Teaching staff and non-teaching staff. It is a maintain the database. This database maintaining all are database management system. Database management system. For maintaining the database, database including maintain the database management system. Okay. Before you discussing database in access, modifying, updating, deleting. How do you do this process? I will explain that one. First of all, retrieve data. Accessing or retrieve both are equal in. Database, retrieve data. Retrieve data mean you give the any information. That is called retrieve data. For example, database which formation there, tabular formation. This is tabular formation. Yeah. And different fields are there. Serial number or ID number, any one. Next one, name. Next, father name or mother name. Father name, mother name, father name and mother name, and address. Okay, next student name, serial number, name, father name, mother name, address. Okay, student name 1, 2, 3, father name, and filling the each and any one. But this tabular formation, one column is must and should be not equal each and every row. Each and every row. Each and this one, it is not equal. It is not equal number. Identity number. Which one? Identity number. Must and should be one column is identity. Each and every table, you take the any one table. Database, so many tables are there. So many tables are created. This is one table. Next one is creating the students FA1 marks, FA2 marks. Yeah. But each and every table is one identity column there. One identity column or primary key column. Which one? Primary key. Which one? Primary key column. That primary key column, it is not allowed the duplicate values. Which one? Duplicate values is it is not allowed, and null values it is not allowed. For example, this is primary key value. Which one? Primary key value. It is not allowed the duplicate values and null values. Null values mean 0. Sorry. Null values mean empty space. Empty space it is not allowed, and duplicate values not allowed. Once again, null value it is not allowed. Null values. Null values mean empty space it is not allowed. Duplicate values. Same numbers. This column number 1, it is 2. It is both are same. It is not same. You come to same one. It does not take the record. Does not take the record. Okay. Primary includes the one primary key. Any one, each and every table machine should be one primary key column there. Primary key in machine should be null values not allowed and duplicate values not allowed. Duplicate values in same name, same number. It is not allowed. Duplicate values mean empty space. It is not allowed. Understood? Primary key. And retrieving data mean you select the number data. For example, you take the 2. Second record, you asking second record, yeah, you come to second record details, display the second record details. Display the second record details. Okay, na? That is retrieving data. Next one, update the record. Update mean update. Update record mean, for example, before you don't entry for the address. Okay, na? Only record to entry for serial number, name, father name, mother name, but you don't know entry for address. You don't entry for address. But how do you entry for address? Okay, na? But each table one unique column there. Unique column. That column. First of all, you select that column. Okay. Record to. You don't entry for address. First of all, you select the record to, and it come to record to value, and you enter for father name, mother name, your name, but you don't enter for address. You select this one, automatically you go to update, entry for address details, entry for address details. Automatically click the OK button. Store the data in database. Store the data in database. That is called update in process database. Next one, deleting. Next one, delete. Next one, delete. Delete means for a deleting process. How do you delete the record? First of all, you know each and every table one unique ID there. First of all, that select that unique ID. Deleting the record 3. Which one? Record 3. First of all, select the record 3. selecting the record 3 and automatically delete option. Click the delete option. This third row is deleted. This third row is deleted. Okay na? That is the delete option. That is called delete option.